Good morning, guys. So all we need to do is that today we have a problem that whenever we try to access the Google Forms using this link, we get this message that you need permission. So the basic problem is that in your Google Classroom you are signed in via your school's email ID, but in Google Chrome, where your this forms open, you are signed in via other email ID which is not your school's email ID. So a simple thing is that I'm closing everything. I will open Google Chrome up here. I will click on a new tab. Okay, click on this home button up here. You will get this page. Okay, the home up here is this one. So this is your home button up here. Okay, now all you need to do is, as you can see here, you have your school's email ID. So here I have my personal email ID, as you can see. So all you need to do is click on sign out. You can see it has my school's email ID, but it will not open because my personal email ID is set as a default account. So what I will do, I will click on sign out. Now again I will click on sign in, and you can see all other accounts are signed out. Now I will sign in via that email ID which I want to use. So I am using my school's email ID again, and I will have to set the password again. As you can see, it gets opened via your school's email ID. Now go to that page where it was coming. Now all you need to do is click on this refresh button, or you can just simply go to where you have got the link and open it. You can see it gets opened with your school's email ID, and you can see I have already responded it. So this is all I wanted to tell. So I am repeating the process. So all you need to do is to go in Chrome and select a new tab, and when you select a new tab, all you need to do is to click on the home button in the left corner, home button, and you will get this thing where your account's logo come, and you have to click on sign out, and then again you have to click on sign in, and sign in via that email ID which you want to use, and again repeat the process. Okay, so now you are signed in via that email ID which you wanted to use. Okay, so